After baking my 3 sourdough bread as gifts, I then decided to package them. I wasn't sure what packaging size to use. Then I saw my 4 cupcake box, took out the insert, and then just tried to put one of the loaves in there, and it fits perfectly. Now, just trying to close it because I think it just needed a bit more room, but anyway, I'll try and close it. Closing it was a bit of a struggle, but not because of the size. It's just that this clip here, it's not so easy to go in. But anyway, I did manage to get it on, and it looks good. It looks very good. So now it looked a bit plain, so I was just thinking to myself, what else could I add on there? And I thought maybe a ribbon. I've got these ribbons that say handmade on them. So I tried to tie it on, but I wasn't too sure exactly how to do it, because when I tie it on like this, it covers part of the tree, and I didn't want the tree to be covered. I don't have any bread bags, and I didn't have bread bags at the moment. I might order them and see if that will work. But look at that. It's I don't know, what do you think? I didn't quite like it, but anyway, I tried to see if I can tie the ribbon again on the other side to have it overlapping the other one, and see if that works better. What do you think? Should we put ribbon at all or no ribbon? Okay, so what do you think of that? I think it's a bit better, but not the best. I still don't like it, but not sure what to do with it. What do you think? One ribbon or not? And then I have these stickers. It says handmade stickers on them. It says handmade on them. Let me show you. These ones, as the flap there is a bit loose, so I was thinking of ways to make it tighter. I put it across that way, but it wasn't as firm as I'd want it, and it wasn't open, and then the sides were also a bit loose, so not the best, but it was a good compromise because I was trying to figure out how best to make it, stay. So I tried the last loaf there. I've got videos on how I made these loaves and how I painted them. You can look on my channel, previous videos, to see how I did them. So it's a bit fiddly to close the bag. A 6-hole cupcake box would be too big for these ones, because these ones are my mini loaves, which use 300 grams of flour. My usual big ones that I use for home are about 500 grams flour. Yeah, 500 grams flour. These ones are mini. 300 grams flour. That's why they fit into this 4-hole cupcake box. Okay, across. See, when you put it across there, it just springs back open. So I was like, okay, let me try the other way around. So I had to get another sticker because that one was not sticking anymore. I thought if I do it again that way, maybe if I stick it in a different position, then it would work. But it did work for a bit, it looked much better. But off camera, or later on, they were beginning to unstick. So I decided to stick them a different way around. You see them in the packaging, they look quite nice. I love the designs. What do you think of those? The bread designs are quite simple ones that you can actually do. I then decided to put the ribbon again and change the direction of the stickers off camera later on, because they kept on popping off. Can you see, like, this one is popped off? So I needed to make it seal better. So I got another sticker and put it the other way around because it made a lot more sense to do that. And it stuck on better. And for some reason, I actually like it now better with the ribbon on. Ribbon or no ribbon, what do you think? And I will buy some bread bags to try next time to see how it looks, but it probably looks better in bread bags. But I used what I had. I baked these as gifts for some friends at my swimming session, and swimming was the next day. It's late at night now, and I'd been baking and, just trying to make them look pretty and presentable before I go to bed. Good thing I always have some boxes at hand, ribbon, stickers, because I bake a lot, so I always have something lying around. This is actually quite nice. I like how it turned out eventually with the ribbon.